Hey guys, welcome back to Amazing Gamer Bam. Today is a sad day for me and my sister Aubrey. This swing set you see right here will be actually taken down today. So we're going to show you our last couple clips of us being on it, our first couple clips of being on it, and show you all the destruction we've made. So see ya in the destruction, I guess.
There you go.
It's probably going to be my last time on it.
Last time?
It was much better when I was one.
I think when we got this, Aubrey wasn't even around yet.
No.
No? Going down? And success. Good times with the old swing set. We'll have to insert some clips here showing the good old days.
Good.
I think it should come down now, I hope. Moving?
He's trying to yank the thing out right now.
Hasn't fallen out since, right?
No.
I'm gonna try and pull it if I can. So. Ready? Oh,
It's disconnected. It'll just come down now.
should the weight catch it now?
It's completely disconnected.
Yeah. Is it gonna crack?
Look at it.
Come down?
No, it doesn't look like it's going to crack. It's got to bring it down. Lay it over. Yeah, lay it over that way.
You ready?
Get back.
There she goes.
That's dismantled now.
What's that, buddy?
I said that's dismantled. Which used to be a little rock wall we climb is now just a little wall fence. And some of the old chairs in there, and that's what's remaining.
Are you ready, dude?
Yeah.
There we go. Whoa, there's a big hole there.
Yeah.
Our dad's about ready to get down.
Yeah,
Where are
hun.
you gonna get down?
That used to be covered up right here, but now it's just gone because we flipped the thing off.
There we go. You want to take?
That's allowed to get up. That's like the only thing still in good shape. It's not in good shape, but you know what I mean. Like we haven't taken it down. Everything else is on the ground. Other things over there. It's just two other things there. It's really loud out here, but you can see that we got the slide down. We got the little seat down, and right now they're trying to dismantle. Oh wait, they just dismantled the slide. He's drilling the holes to get these out. Well, they try to cut the wood down, and he's transporting this over to the junk. After about an hour of work, everything on the swing set is down. We're transporting everything to the back of the truck over there, so they can get to the dump. This was just a grassy area we never used. It's still grassy and gone. This was a little bench right here. It's gone now. This holding up the swing set that we swing on, but now it's gone. The slide's out. The bars are out. And all the wood is just in the back. We're trying to get it to small pieces, but we'll show you the clips of what we've done in the past years right now.
Okay, Bryce, you ready? Whoa, right in the mud.
Do it again. Go do it again.
Do it again real quick.
Go, 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 go.
Go ahead, bub.
Ready? One,
Let's see it.
2, 3, go.
Yay!
Go.
Yay! What do you want?
So with nothing left of the treehouse, our video has to come to an end. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you can be notified when we upload our next video, and we'll see you next time.